Hello, P&W Blanks and Sublimation members. It's Dawn, and we are doing Tutorial Tuesday. And today we're doing the clear slider lid glass tumblers. So these come with the slider lid. And we also have the frosted slider lid. So we're going to do those two. Both the designs I'm using are by Michelle Ray Designs, and I'm super excited about this turtle one. So I have 358 as my resting, 360 as my printing, and I'm going to do 2 rotations of 40 seconds. That's what I've been using on the bamboo lid one, so we're going to do it on these. And I'm just going to put my seam to this side to start, and then we'll flip it to this way. And not a lot of pressure. It's going to count down because it's glass, so it's going to go down, and that's okay because it's glass. And then once it's ready to turn, we'll come back. All right, we're going off. So then I'm just going to rotate it to this side. And I'm going to let it get back down to 358, and then I'm going to close it. And there is different ways to do your tumblers. You can do the 30-30-30. You can do the 40-40. If you find a way that works good for you, then continue to do that. Don't worry about changing it to meet what somebody else is doing. So just stick with what works for you. Everything, maybe you found a completely different way or kind of a mix of something. So I just want to say that to everyone, that there's no 100% right way. It's whatever works for you. We put out there different tips, just like what I'm using may not work for you. So you might have to adjust it a little bit. We try to give some baseline settings and some different tips and different ways to do things to help you. So we do hope that helps. I wanted to show you too, while we're waiting, a couple other different things we have in our 25-ounce tumbler. So we have the bamboo lid, the clear, and this is a Southern Strands design, the little owl stainless glass. And then we have the frosted, and this is a design by Emmy Print. And all of our designers have really like these are Michelle Ray's. All of our designers have great designs. So if you haven't checked out our featured designers and gone and looked on their pages, make sure that you do, because they all have different stuff. This is our frosted glass can one with the bamboo and the clear. Check them out. They all have great designs. Alrighty. Oh, I'm nervous to see this one. So it looks pretty good. So I put it right below the lip and right above the lip. And the good thing with these glass ones is they're pretty forgiving. So even if you overcook just a little bit, they look, they look good. And this is beautiful. I knew it was going to be. So this is the turtle. And I'll put something in it so you can see it better. But this is the turtle by Michelle Ray. And then I'll let that cool off, and then I'll put a piece of paper in it so you can see it. And then we're going to do our frosted, another design by Michelle Ray. And we're just going to do the same process. We're at 358. Seam to that side. Very light pressure. It's hardly doing any pressure. And then we'll come back. So I took my time down to 35 because this one looks, and I've been using my press, so it's hot, but it looks, I don't know, it looks just a little not quite so bright black. So I'm gonna try 35 and 35 on this one and see. Like I said, you have to adjust. I've been using the 40-40, and it, the black looks great on that. My black looks great on that. My little black looks great here. So I'm just going to see what it does on the 35-35. So we'll be back. All right, so we're going off. And we're going to flip it. So I'm going to put this side. And then it's going to go down to 358. Then I'll close it, and we're going to go to 35 seconds and see how this one looks. So it's at 358. And we'll close it, and then we'll come back. All right, we're going off, so we'll see how this turned out. It looks really good. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, that turned out amazing. That's so pretty. So I'll let these cool off and I'll be back. Okay, so here's our turtle. It's so cute. I love the turtle. And then here is our amazing Grace. And look at the sheet music that shows through. But that's not on the inside. That's part of the design. So we've got slider frosted, slider clear. These are on Elena's website. We've got our bamboo, all types of glassware. Check out Anna and Elena's websites, pnwsub.com or pnwblanksanna.com, pnwblankselena.com. Thank you.